Hey, happy Monday. Welcome to Meatless Mondays with Ask the Healthy Professor.
Well, we are here at my favorite place. Favorite place. Yeah. This is where I was going to some type of, I don't know. But this is my spot, y'all. Y'all be going to that HEB. This is my chauffeur. Hello, Christopher. Christopher. Thanks for bringing me to the HEB. So what you feel like eating tonight, babe, for this Meatless Monday? I know it's late and, it don't matter. We eat late sometimes.
I was thinking some burgers.
Burgers? On a Meatless Monday, you want burgers?
Yeah.
You want bread, tomatoes? Oh, so you just want me to do some bean burgers.
Black bean burgers. You made it before. You make it again.
I ain't done those in a long time because I was trying to stay away from bread. So now I'm going to have to be creative, y'all, and try to see how I can find. Oh, man.
Shit.
You always making things complicated.
Whatever. You can probably use some lettuce, or now you're going to end up eating wheat bread. You didn't try to substitute bread and it ain't taste too well, did it? Y'all saw that episode.
Let me go on and get my ingredients and stuff because he going to make me.
You can go this way.
I'm going to be nice to him today and stuff.
I bet.
Who has ever had a banging black bean burger? Okay. What I'm trying to say is that not all black bean burgers are created equal, meaning that you're not going to always find a black bean burger that's great. Okay. But when you do find one, trust me, you might not stop ever going to get that burger ever in your life again. So I decided to ask some of my Facebook friends if they've ever had a banging black bean burger. And can you believe what their response was? Only 40%? What? So let me just share with you guys how I make my black bean burgers from scratch. Well, not entirely from scratch. I'm going to share with you why I decided to use the Gardein black bean patties. Come along. Let's go to HEB. Let's take a stroll. Late, and I'm very indecisive right now. We got the ultimate beefless burger, the ultimate plant-based burger, or the ultimate black bean burger. Oh, Lord. So I'm a big person on ingredients. So I'm looking at the calories of the ultimate black bean burger. And you know, it is 170. Okay. Yeah. So, but when I go to the ultimate plant-based burger, I'm seeing something I don't like, which is 240 calories. I know a lot of people are like, that's not a lot, but we about to load this burger up. Yeah, I'm about to get happy tonight, and I don't need extra calories on my bean burger. It already ain't got no meat in it, so yeah. I think I'm gonna stick with the black bean burger, not the plant-based black bean tonight. I was gonna make black bean anyway, so might as well go with this one. We'll try it, and we're gonna let you know.
So let's go ahead and now gather our healthy ingredients to top this burger off.
You want to grab you some organic on the vine tomatoes while your husband plays video games, and then we continue to look for some fat. So I found the sweet oat. This one, let's look at the back. Only 70 calories, so we're winning. Yay. But of course, I have to get the smoked Gouda dairy-free. So this is my dairy-free alternative. I can't have regular cheese, so if you're lactose, you would definitely love this. This is perfect. This is something that is, perfect for vegans. Soy-free, non-GMO. Okay.
We also grabbed us some of these sweet potato puffs. When I tell you these were amazing, I'll share those on how I cooked them in just a little bit when I go in more detail on how I'm going to put together this lovely black bean burger.
So let's look at the burger patty. This is what we're working with. I'm indecisive if I should put it on the stove. It says highly recommended to do it on stovetop, but something's telling me to try it in the air fryer. The choice, decisions. Which one should I do?
Okay, so I have it in my air fryer. Grab these, toss them in the air fryer. Spray mine with a little bit of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, so that it, you know, I don't know how to tell you. It's just gonna give it that extra crisp, so it's like a tot. But instead, it's a delicious, nutritious sweet potato. Sweet potato? Sweet potato tot? Sweet potato. Yeah. So after toasting the bread, the low-carb bread at that, I mean, just look at this baby. This burger was banging. When I mean banging, yes, it met the banging black bean burger requirements. I'm just telling you, it was amazing.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my vlog on Meatless Mondays. Next Monday, go ahead and tune in at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time because we'll be talking about my vegan date with my son. Stay tuned.